Hello, everyone. Isn't it amazing the beautiful nature that is all around us in everything? Isn't it just like, we can't even comprehend how this all came to be? Anyway, I filmed this butterfly this morning and so peaceful and beautiful, and he's interacting with these flowers and on a tree, and it's just fantastic. So I hope you can find some quiet time to look at how a leaf grows or an animal or something and just contemplate the amazing creation we live in and all the peace, love, beauty, wisdom, truth that is here. Because the more you know that, the more you'll recognize all the evil stuff, in my opinion. Anyway, I hope you like this video about the butterfly, and thank you for watching. God bless.